drivers use their cars every day but barely scratch the surface of what they can actually do. In fact, there are hidden features in your car that could make driving safer, easier, and a lot more convenient, and most people have no idea they even exist. Today, I'm going to show you 15 car features you probably did not know about. Some of them are clever, some are useful, and one of them at the end is going to completely shock you. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you may never look at your car the same way again. Let's begin. Number 15. The seatbelt loop. Take a close look at your passenger seatbelt. Ever notice that small fabric loop near the belt itself? Most people assume it is just part of the design. It is not. That little loop is actually part of an energy management system. In a crash, it is designed to tear in a very specific way, giving the passenger a little more slack and helping reduce the force on the chest and neck. In other words, it is a tiny feature doing a huge job. And here is the interesting part. You will usually find it on the passenger side, not the driver's side. It has been quietly helping protect people for years, and almost nobody notices it. Number 14. The rear window defroster. Most drivers only use the rear defroster when the glass is foggy or covered in ice, but it can do more than that. Those thin lines on the back window are heating elements. They warm the glass and help clear condensation, frost, and ice. But they can also help loosen stubborn grime like tree sap or dried debris from the rear window. If the glass has stuck on dirt, letting the defroster run for a few minutes can make cleaning much easier. And if you live in a humid area, turning it on early can help keep your windows clear and improve visibility right away. Number 13. Hidden spare key access. A lot of newer cars have hidden ways to access the vehicle when the battery in your key fob dies. Many key fobs contain a mechanical key inside them. Some cars also hide a keyhole under the passenger door handle or behind a cover. In some models, manufacturers even provide concealed key storage locations underneath the car. That means, if you ever lock yourself out or lose power in the fob, you may have a backup option already built in. Most drivers never check for these until they need them, and by then, it is already too late. Number 12. Headlight adjustment. Here is a feature that can make a massive difference at night. A surprising number of cars have misaligned headlights. That means your lights may be too high, too low, or aimed incorrectly, which can reduce visibility and even blind other drivers. Many vehicles have adjustment screws behind the headlight housing. With the right setup, you can correct the angle and improve night driving almost instantly. It is a simple adjustment, but it can make a huge difference in safety. Number 11. The cabin air filter. Your car is not just moving air around, it is filtering the air you breathe. Hidden behind the glove box or inside the HVAC system is the cabin air filter. Its job is to trap dust, pollen, debris, and other particles before they enter the cabin. If that filter gets dirty, airflow drops, the AC can feel weak, and the air inside your car can become stale or dusty. Replacing it regularly can improve air quality and comfort more than most people expect. Number 10. Bluetooth hidden features. Most people think Bluetooth is just for music and phone calls, but many vehicles support much more than that. Depending on the system, you may be able to use voice commands, read text messages aloud, connect multiple phones, or control certain functions hands-free. That means your car's Bluetooth system may be far smarter than you realize. You just have to know where to look in the settings. Number 9. The emergency trunk release. This is honestly one of the most important safety features in modern cars. Inside the trunk, there's usually a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle. It's designed so that, if someone gets trapped inside, they can escape. Now, it might seem like something you'll never need, but in an emergency, it can absolutely save a life. If you have children or passengers who use the vehicle often, it's really worth showing them where it is and how it works. Number 8. Electronic parking brake assist. So, the old handbrake is kind of disappearing, and in its place, a lot of cars now use electronic parking brakes. What makes them super useful is that many models include auto hold or hill start assistance. That means the car can actually help stop rollback when you're on a slope. This just makes hill starts smoother and takes away the stress of holding the car in place manually. It's honestly one of those features that feels small until you actually use it. Number 7. Mirror memory. Some side mirrors can store more than one position, which is pretty cool. That means your car might automatically adjust the mirrors based on which key fob you're using or which driver profile is selected. So if two people share one car, each person can have their own mirror setup saved in memory. It really saves time, improves comfort, and makes the car feel a lot more personal. Number 6. Rain sensing wipers. This is really one of those features people totally forget about until they actually experience it. Rain sensing wipers use sensors to detect moisture on the windshield and automatically adjust the wiping speed. The system reacts a lot faster than a driver manually switching wipers on and off. In some cars, the rear wiper may even activate automatically when you're reversing in the rain. It's a small convenience, but honestly, on a stormy day, it makes driving so much easier. Number 5. Tire pressure monitoring system. Your dashboard might already be warning you before a tire becomes a real problem. The TPMS, or tire pressure monitoring system, keeps track of tire pressure and alerts you when something drops below safe levels. That really matters because low tire pressure can hurt fuel economy, reduce handling, and even increase the chance of a blowout. In many vehicles, you can even check which specific tire is losing pressure. That is the kind of feature that saves money and prevents trouble before it starts. Number 4. Den Weitsspurstense, Mighty Nambon, Sun Dibersan, Cordon, headlight washers. Some cars have built-in headlight cleaning systems. These are especially useful in rainy, muddy, or snowy conditions because dirt on the headlights can seriously reduce visibility. The washer system sprays the lens clean so the lights can perform properly. It's one of those premium features that many drivers never really think about until they see how much cleaner and brighter the lights look afterward. Number 3. Adaptive cruise control settings. So, adaptive cruise control is already pretty impressive, but honestly, a lot of drivers never even touch the settings. You can usually adjust things like following distance, acceleration response, and sometimes even how aggressively your car handles traffic. That means the system can feel smoother, more relaxed, or even more responsive, depending on how you like to drive. If you use cruise control often, checking out these settings can really make the feature feel way more natural and useful. Number 2. Automatic door lock programming. Most cars actually let you customize when the doors lock automatically. For example, some lock as soon as you start driving, others might lock when you shift into gear, and some will only lock when the car hits a certain speed. This is great for convenience, but it also adds a nice layer of security. The thing is, a lot of drivers never realize they can change these settings in the car menu or through the infotainment system. Number 1. The engine block heater. Here's one that surprises a lot of people. Some vehicles, especially in colder climates, have an engine block heater outlet or connection built right in. Its job is to keep the engine warm before you start it up, which helps with cold starts, reduces wear, and can actually make the engine run more smoothly when it's freezing outside. In some cases, people even use that outlet for other emergency power needs. Honestly, this is one of the most overlooked features in the whole car, but it can make a real difference in performance and engine life. Most people drive every day without ever discovering these features, but now you know what to look for, and once you start paying attention to the hidden details in your car, you might realize it's a lot smarter than you thought. If you found this useful, there's a good chance your car has even more features you've never used, and those can save time, money, and frustration every single day.